Well, hello. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you guys watching. Real quick, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you know when we post a video. I am excited about today's project. We are going to be building a Joe Salatin style chicken tractor. Now, what I'm really excited about is the advancement on the amount of birds we can handle on our property. Right now, we're pretty much maxed out at 100, but with this tractor, we can double it. And it doesn't take that much room in the field. It is a 10 by 10 by 2 foot structure that just provides them shelter from rain and the sun. We will be moving it every day, just like our current chicken tractors. That way the meat birds get fresh bugs, fresh grass daily, and they're not walking around in their own manure. The first step I'm gonna do is make sure all my boards are 10 feet long. That was easy, no cuts were needed. Now that I have my 4 sides at 10 feet, I'm gonna start cutting 2 foot long sections so that way I have some height. Now we can start some assembly. That's what I love about this chicken tractor. It is easy to put together. So we got 2 sides constructed right now. The tricky part is doing this by myself, is going to be doing the other 2 sides. Let's see if I can figure this out. Here we go. 10 by 10 structure is complete. That was pretty easy. That took about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna go over here to the scrapyard and we are gonna reuse a door that was on our 5 by 10 chicken tractor from our old house. Reuse this door. That way we save money and time, because now I don't have to make this door. The other thing we need are some more 2x4s. I think we have some in the old sheep shed that got destroyed by that storm. Let's see what we got in the chest. Perfect! This is what I'm talking about. Save extra wood, save your scraps. So the next step is going to be an experiment. What I want is this door to obviously lay flat, and then when I bring the tin roof, it to lay flat. But I'm going to need some cross beams. So I'm going to have to make some half lap joints. That way the 2 boards, 2 2x4s, will fit flat together, because I'm going to have 1 going all the way across and then 2 going the other way. That way the door can just rest on it and not have any gaps. I got 2 cross beams set up. That way the door can rest right on top of them. I got them flat by cutting off 1.5 inches of these supports. So that's a 22.5 inch measurement. That way it's nice and flush. So I got the old door in the position I wanted at. And I'm gonna have this bar and the hinges pretty much meet right there. And I'm gonna have the hinges lay right on top of this board, because the half lap cup is going to allow these to go inside each other, and that way this board as flat with this board. It's not bad. I just need to trim up one of the sides and it's going to be good to go. Now look at that. Fits like a glove. I am pumped. That turned out great. I'm pretty impressed with myself. That was the first time doing that. Thank you, Dad. I watched you do that growing up and it really helped me out. This is coming along really awesome. I got the door hooked up. I've got some extra slats in here. That way I can tack the chicken wire, and just pulled up the metal roofing. Only thing I've had to buy are the 2x4s, and that's it. We have the wire, we have the roofing, so very inexpensive, this project. I'm super excited. Alright, so everything is done except for the wire and the roof. Now I'm going to wrap this up. It was awesome bringing you guys along. There's not much left to do, so I'm going to try to come back in the afternoon to finish it, or just wrap it up tomorrow. But I appreciate you guys watching, and again, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much.